Welcome to Lesson 19. Before we begin, a quick note about this course. These lessons are designed to be listened to in the background while you work inside DxO PhotoLab on your own computer. Think of them as guided audio lessons that you can follow along at your own pace. If you prefer more visual screen-recorded tutorials, you'll find plenty of those on my channel as well. Also, DxO PhotoLab is free to use for 30 days, giving you more than enough time to work through this course and see if it's a good fit for your workflow. If you decide it is, I'm offering 15% off DxO software, and you'll find that link in the description below. Now, make sure you have DxO PhotoLab open. In this final lesson, we're going to look at exporting your finished photographs. Up until now, we've been working with raw files and making non-destructive edits inside DxO PhotoLab. Nothing we've done has changed the original photograph. Exporting is the final step that takes all of your adjustments and creates a finished image ready to share, print, or publish. Once you've finished editing your photograph, look towards the bottom right-hand corner of the interface and click Export to Disk. This opens the export window, where you'll choose how you'd like your finished image to be created. The first thing you'll notice is the choice of file formats. For most photographers, you'll mainly use JPEG or TIFF. JPEG is perfect for websites, social media, email, and everyday sharing. It produces smaller file sizes while maintaining excellent image quality. TIFF files are much larger and retain more image information, making them ideal for printing or sending to another editing application. If you're just starting out, I'd recommend exporting high-quality JPEG files for most situations. You'll also see options for image quality and resizing. If you're exporting for social media, you may choose to reduce the image dimensions slightly. If you're exporting for printing or archiving, you'll probably want to keep the original resolution. Another important setting is where your exported file will be saved. Choose a folder that's easy to find and try to keep your exported images organized. Good organization now will save you time in the future. Before exporting, I always recommend taking one final look at the photograph. Zoom in and check the details. Make sure you're happy with the crop. Check the colors and exposure one last time. Once you're satisfied, click Export and let DxO PhotoLab create your finished image. One of the things I love about PhotoLab is that your original RAW file is never altered. Even after exporting, you can always return to your RAW file, make further adjustments, and create another version whenever you like. That's one of the biggest advantages of non-destructive editing. For this lesson, export one of the photographs you've edited during this course as a high-quality JPEG. Open it outside DxO PhotoLab and take a moment to enjoy the finished result. The main thing I want you to take away from this lesson is that exporting is more than simply saving a file. It's the final step in bringing your creative vision to life. Before we finish, I'd just like to say thank you for joining me throughout this Zero to Hero course. If you've completed all 19 lessons, you've built a solid understanding of DxO PhotoLab and now have all the knowledge you need to confidently edit your own photographs. Of course, this is only the beginning. The more you edit, the more you'll develop your own style and discover which tools suit the way you like to work. I hope this course has helped make DxO PhotoLab feel a little less intimidating and a lot more enjoyable to use. Don't forget to subscribe to Simon DxO because I'll continue adding more tutorials, workflow videos, and editing tips in the future. If there's a particular topic you'd like me to cover next, I'd genuinely love to hear from you, so please leave a comment below. Thank you once again for watching. Enjoy your photography, and I hope to see you again very soon.